ABC flashcards for toddler. A for apple, A for aeroplane, A for ant, A for ant, A for alligator, alligator, A for apple, aeroplane, A for airplane, A for apple, apple, A for ant, A for ant, A for alligator, A for alligator. B for ball, B for bus, B for bed, B for banana, ball, bus, bed, and banana. B for bus, B for banana, banana. C for cat, C for cow, C for car, C for cat, C for car, car, C for car, C for cow, cow. D for duck, D for dog, D for dog, duck, dog and doll. D for dog, duck, doll. E for egg, E for elephant, E for eye, E for elephant, E for egg, E for eye. E for egg, E for egg. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fan, F for fish, F for flower, fan, fish and flower. F for fire truck, F for fire truck. F for fan, F for fan. F for fish, F for fish. G for God, G for grapes, G for girl, God, grapes and girl. G for goat, G for grapes, G for girl. H for horse, H for helicopter, H for hen, hen, helicopter and horse. H for horse, H for helicopter, H for hen. I for igloo, I for ice cream, I for idea. I for ice cream, I for igloo, I for idea. I for igloo. And I for ice cream. J for jellyfish, J for jacket, J for juice, jellyfish jacket and juice. J for juice, J for jellyfish, jellyfish. J for jacket. K for king, K for key, K for kite, K for kite, K for kite. K for keys. L for lemon, L for lamp, L for line, L for lemon, lamp and line. L for lamp, L for lamp, L for lion. L for lemon. M for monkey, M for mango, M for moon. Monkey, M for monkey. M for moon, M for moon, M for mango. N for nuts, N for needle, N for needle, needle. N for nose, N for nose, N for nuts. O for O for orange, O for octopus, all orange and octopus. O for orange, orange. O for octopus. O for all. P for pony, P for peacock, P for parrot, peacock, pony, peacock and parrot. P for pony. P for pony. And next we have P for peacock. 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 P for parrot. Next we have parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for queen. Next we have queen. R for ring. R for rose. R for rabbit. Ring, rose and rabbit. R for rabbit. Rabbit. R for rose. Next we have rose. R for ring. Next we have ring. R for ring. Next we have S. S for sun. S for snow. S for slippers. S for sun. Next we have sun. S for snow. Snow. We have next S for slippers. S for slippers. T for tiger, T for tree, T for tomatoes. T for tomatoes. Tomatoes. T for tiger. T for tiger. T for tree. Next we have tree. T for tree. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. U for umbrella. U for up. U for unicorn. Unicorn. Next we have U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for vampire. V for van. Vampire van. V for van. V for van. And next we have V for vampire. Vampire. Next we have W. Watermelon and whale. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Watermelon. Next we have W for whale. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yolk. Y for yolk. And last we have Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.